HikCentral AccessControl. Manage access and attendance, free and easy. HikCentral AccessControl is Hikvision's lightweight platform for professional access control, time attendance, and video intercom management, making daily management easier and more efficient for both management staff and employees. Take the office park as an example. With HikCentral AccessControl, managers can assign access credentials to employees based on their unique roles. The newly supported Bluetooth recognition allows employees to use their cell phone as a credential. The door can be opened automatically by holding the cell phone close to a Minmo terminal. Apart from access control, the software also enables efficient employee attendance management. When new employees come on board, human resources can easily assign them individual shift schedules based on their roles. Employees can conveniently clock in and out using the mobile time and attendance function within the designated external areas approved by the company, enhancing the flexibility of attendance management. Employees can also check their daily or monthly attendance status at any time using a computer or mobile app. When an attendance anomaly occurs, the employee can instantly submit an application with relevant evidence to clear up the situation. Once the supervisor passes the application, the abnormal status gets resolved, greatly reducing the workload for the Human Resources Department. By the end of the month, HR can easily get overviews and detailed information with various predefined or custom reports. Attendance data can be transmitted to third-party systems in real time for rapid payroll management. In addition to access control and time attendance tracking, HikCentral AccessControl can also manage video intercoms. When a courier arrives, he can call and talk with the staff. The staff can verify his identity, then unlock the door via web browser or mobile phone. And there's no need to worry about complex operations. The software provides an easy-to-use setup wizard to help users quickly become familiar with various configurations and operations. At the same time, users can also customize their shortcuts on the homepage, making daily use more convenient. Information collected via HikCentral AccessControl is easy to understand and access with its dynamic, visual reports. The onboard interactive eMap enables management and security staff to get accurate and timely notifications when incidents occur. With all these powerful functions, the software is unbelievably lightweight. The minimum hardware requirement is just an i3 CPU and 4 GB of RAM. Start managing access and attendance for free now, covering up to 16 doors and 3,000 people. HikCentral AccessControl. Manage access and attendance, free and easy.